In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and configure payment settings within your Shopify store. This is a crucial step for any online merchant. So whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your existing settings, I'll guide you through it with ease. First off, let's head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the home page of your store. In case you're not there already, just look for an option labeled My Store to take you to the home page. Now that we're here, our first task involves setting up payment options, which is critical for processing transactions and sales. Now let's click on the Settings option. This should be visible at the bottom of your sidebar. You'll see various tabs, and for today's purposes, we'll focus on the Payments section. Once clicked, you'll find yourself in the Payment Methods area, where you can configure how your customers will pay for their purchases. Next, we'll dive into Additional Payment Methods. This section allows you to extend the variety of payment options you offer your customers. Different customers have different payment preferences, from PayPal to credit and debit cards, so this is your chance to cater to a wide audience by selecting the payment options that will work best for your business. After that, let's take a look at the Payment Capture method. This is where you determine how and when Shopify will capture payments from your customers' cards. You typically have two options, automatic or manual. If set to automatic, payments are captured as soon as an order is made, easing the process. Conversely, with a manual setting, payments are authorized but captured later, giving you flexibility, for example, when you're dealing with custom or high-end orders. Moving right along, we're going to click on Manual Payment Methods. Manual options are fantastic for offering alternative payment ways such as bank deposits or cash on delivery. Here, you can also provide detailed instructions for customers on how to use these manual methods, helping ensure the transaction goes smoothly. Lastly, there's Payment Method Customizations. This section gives you the flexibility to tweak various payment options according to your business needs. Whether you want to rename a payment option, add additional instructions, or remove a method altogether, it's all doable right here. That wraps up our quick tour of configuring payments in Shopify. By now, you should feel equipped to adjust your store's payment settings to fit your business model and customers' needs. Remember, the smoother and more variety you offer in payment options, the more likely you are to satisfy your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling on Shopify!